Default. Good morning. This is cause number 2020-68427 in the interest of Jaylene Wattis. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Please state your name, ma'am, and your relationship to the child.
Irene Elizondo, I'm the custodial parent. I'm her mother.
And for the state?
Good morning, Judge. Kavita Sharma for the state.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Juan Juarez, is not present. He was personally served on February 13th, 2021 at 10:52 a.m. at 14235 Nimitz Street, apartment 41 in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He's not filed an answer, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And he's been given further notice
Yes,
of
Judge, he
no
has.
hearing by a certified mail, return receipt requested, that was delivered on April 26, 2021. And he has not checked in or appeared. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
That is correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, sir. Your Honor, the state would like to call Ms. Elizondo.
All right.
Ms. Elizondo, you stated earlier you are the mother of Jaylene Juarez, correct?
That's correct. Yes, ma'am.
How old is your daughter?
She's 9 years old.
Okay, and you said that she has special needs. Can you explain to the judge what that is, please?
Yes, she's autistic or severe autism with spectrum disorder. She's nonverbal. She hasn't been able to speak, and she's still in adult diapers. Like, she's constantly needing to be attended to. I have a business degree, but just to be a mother to her, I kind of like quit the career to stay home. So
Okay,
it's just
thank you,
very
Ms.
hard.
Elizondo. And because your daughter is special needs, has she had a relationship with the father, Juan Juarez?
No, she has not. Not even the family. His family literally told me that they didn't want anything to do with her because of his son being there with them already. They didn't want a
Okay,
relationship or anything.
Ms. Elizondo, when was the last time the father saw his daughter?
Oh, it was over 6 years ago. I couldn't give you the exact date. She was maybe 2.5, 3 years old.
Okay, and
It was before she even started elementary.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Elizondo. Because of that, are you asking the judge to appoint you as the managing conservator of the child?
Yes, please.
And do
Because I
you
don't
feel
have
that you being the managing conservator would be the best interest of the child?
Yes, it will be.
Okay, and how is the child covered under health insurance?
Under Medicaid for right now.
Okay. And are you asking the judge to approve a standard possession order? If Mr. Juarez chooses to visit the child, you'll give him access to the child?
Oh, yeah, that's fine. I don't have any problems. I mean, not that
Okay.
I'm currently aware of. Like I said, I haven't spoken to him, so I don't want to make that decision without.
Okay, and are you asking the judge to allow you to determine the child's primary residence without regard to geographic location?
What was that again?
Are you asking the judge to allow you to determine where the child lives, even if it's not in Harris County?
Oh, yeah, I'm in decision of that. Yes.
Okay, and when was the last time you spoke to Mr. Juarez?
The exact date I'll tell you was April 12th. because I have a cousin that I talked to, and he wanted to see Jaylene because I guess he's been getting these notices, and I had met him at a Walmart, but we just never made it to the house to see her.
Okay. So do you know if he's currently working?
He said he wasn't, from what I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't know if he has a job at this time?
I don't know.
Do
I
you know
wouldn't
if
know.
he has any other children that he provides support to? You mentioned he had a son.
Yes, he has a son, but like I say, I don't know if he's currently, in a relationship because he has a
Do
lot of
you,
issues with his stepmother. So
do you know if he's providing support to that child?
I wouldn't know, to be honest with you.
Okay. Do you know if the child is living in the home with him?
I wouldn't know. I don't even know if he's remarried. Like I'm just oblivious. Yeah, I didn't get
Okay.
to any of that with them because he's always been trying to get back with me, and so I just never. The only thing I want to talk to him is about Jaylene, so I keep it very minimal. Why I don't ask.
Okay. And how is your child covered under health insurance?
Through Medicaid, Texas
Okay.
Medicaid Service Department.
Your Honor, at this time, because we don't have wage information for Mr. Juarez, we're asking the court to impose a minimum wage presumption and use those numbers. And Ms. Elizondo, based on that minimum wage presumption, are you asking the court to order Mr. Elizondo to pay you $218 a month in child support?
Yes. I don't care about the back pay, just from here forward is fine.
And are you asking the court to order that Mr. Juarez pay $50 a month in cash medical support beginning July 1, 2021?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order court costs be paid by Mr. Juarez as they're billed?
Yes.
And you mentioned earlier that you do not want retroactive child support. So you're asking the court you're telling the court that you don't need any retroactive child support for the last 57 months that the child has been under your care.
No, that's fine.
Okay. Judge, I pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the